Understanding Virtual Sessions, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, virtual session. This is a term that's become increasingly common in our digital world, and it's important to understand what it means and how it's used. Let's dive in. A virtual session refers to any meeting, class, or gathering that takes place online, rather than in a physical location. These sessions are conducted over the internet using various platforms like Zoom, Skype, or Microsoft Teams. They can include webinars, online classes, video conferences, or even virtual hangouts with friends. The key element is that participants join from different locations, connecting through technology. Key elements of a virtual session include internet connectivity, essential for joining the session, devices, computers, tablets, or smartphones used to access the session, software or apps, programs like Zoom, Google Meet, or specific e-learning platforms, interactive tools, features like chat boxes, screen sharing, and virtual whiteboards. Participants, people who attend, which can include a host, presenter, or attendees. Virtual sessions offer several benefits. Flexibility. Attend from anywhere, saving time and travel costs. Accessibility. Easier for people with mobility issues or those living in remote areas. Resource sharing. Easy to share digital files and resources. Global reach. Enables people from different countries to connect and learn together. While beneficial, virtual sessions can have challenges. Technical issues, poor internet or device problems. Solution: always have a backup plan, like a phone call. Engagement: keeping participants interested. Solution: use interactive tools and keep sessions dynamic. Time zone differences. For international sessions. Solution: schedule sessions considering all participants' time zones. That's all for our session on virtual sessions. Remember, virtual sessions are an excellent way to connect, learn, and collaborate from anywhere in the world. They're a significant part of our digital lives, so understanding and making the most of them is crucial. Hope this video was helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!